Hey guys, all right, 6 minutes, all you need to work those abs, all right? As a beginner, you wanna make sure you're working your abs as well. I got tons of techniques for advanced, intermediate, but this video is all for beginners and it's one of my 6-minute ripped in 6 workouts. So make sure you watch this video and put this ab workout to use. Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. All right, welcome back for another ripped in 6 workout. This one is an ab workout specifically for beginners. All right, I don't want to neglect the beginners. There's a lot of men out there that have not worked abs in a while and you're wanting to get back into working your abs because guys, you need to make sure you have a strong core. All right, you want to make sure you're working your abs just as hard as you're working the other body parts. It's important for a lot of proper balance, posture. So just a lot of tremendous reasons to work your core, work your abdominals. All right, if I can get the message out. But anyways, guys, you want to make sure you have your Tabata ab. All right, this is the same setup. If you haven't done any of these ripped in 6 workouts before, let me explain it. Let me break it down for you. There's 4 exercises you're going to be doing, each one for 37 seconds. That's how you're going to set your Tabata ab up. 37 seconds of each exercise. All right. You're gonna go through all 4 back to back to back to back, no rest. After you've done your 4th exercise, you're gonna go back to the top and run through them again for a second time. So you're gonna do all of those 37 seconds each, no rest at all right? Because you're not gonna get a rest period within this 6 minutes. It's only 6 minutes, so you gotta push yourself and challenge yourself, all right? If you need to take little breaks while you're doing these 37-second sets, then take a break, all right? Put your feet down if you need to, stretch your abs out if you need to, but the goal is to do as many as you can for each exercise within the 37 seconds. All right, one last thing before we get started. You're gonna go through 2 rounds of these 4 exercises. At the end of the 2nd round, you're gonna finish up with a 60-second all-out finisher, all right? A finisher that you're gonna do as many reps as you can for 60 seconds. So that's the structure, that's the workout, be done in 6 minutes, and you will have great looking abs if you do this consistently. And of course, you gotta add it with good nutrition, but you do those and you're gonna have great abs and strong abs, all right? So that being said, let me get my my Tabata ab ready, and we're gonna start with reverse crunches, all right? So get ready, get this started.
Starting your Tabata workout. Get ready.
All right, reverse crunches.
Exercise.
Basically knees to your chest. Legs straight out, knees to your chest. All right, keep your hands to your side for balance if you need to. You can keep them behind your head if you need to. Again, as a beginner, if you need to take a break, take a break. However, you wanna make sure you're doing as many reps as you can under control though. Make sure you're doing these under complete control. Legs out, knees up. Legs out, knees up. Next one, Russian twist. All right, here's the thing with the Russian twist. Russian twist for beginners, basically keep your heels on the ground, lean back to contract your abs, touch, touch. You're gonna go to each side. To make this an advanced movement, you actually wanna bring your heels off the ground and you're gonna go side to side, all right? However, as a beginner, it's okay to keep those legs down and just focus on that rotation. You're still working your abs by leaning back. Next one, we're gonna do our elbow planks. Just a standard elbow plank, all right? On the elbow plank, focus on keeping your elbows under your shoulders. You wanna make sure your butt isn't high in the air. It's nice and straight. Rigid spine, straight back, and tight core. All right, suck in those abs, keep them tight, flex them as if someone's trying to punch you in the gut. Keep them tight, keep them flexed. Do this for 37 seconds. And then we're gonna go into heel touches.
Exercise.
All right, so heel touches, you're getting back on your back. You want your heels down, elevate to contract your abs, and you're gonna go side to side, just like this. Try not to relax. Keep your mid to upper back up so your abs are contracted, and you're going side to side, touching each heel. If you need to take your breathers, take them, relax, do as many as you need to, all right? Now we're gonna go straight back to back to round one. Back to your reverse crunches. We've already done the first full round. Out, up, out, up. All right. Breathers are okay if you need them, breaks. As a beginner, you just wanna do as much as you can. Again, under strict form. You don't wanna get any injuries.
Exercise.
Back to the Russian twist. All right, I'll use my microphone. Let's get these twisted. All right, Russian twist. And then back, after these, to the elbow plank. Elbow plank.
Exercise.
All right. Doing great, guys. Just follow the same sequence. Hold the elbow plank. 37 seconds. If you need to take a break, all right? I don't want you to destroy your form by bringing your hips down. It's better to rest to take your break and get right back up into it. Because you want to make sure, again, that back is rigid, core is tight, and this is a complete core exercise within this workout.
Exercise.
All right, now you're going back one more time to your heel taps, all right? Heels, taps. This will be your last exercise, and then you were gonna do your 60-second all-out finisher, and we're gonna be finishing with flutter kicks. If you haven't done a flutter kick, I'll show you what those are. You're gonna remain on your back.
Cool down.
Remain on your back, feet straight, all right? Heels up, one in the air, and alternate. The focus here is your lower back. You wanna make sure your lower back is pressed into the ground, okay? If you need to rest, rest. If you need to support your head, support your head. Otherwise, you're just gonna do these for the full 60 seconds. Don't pull on your head. Resting, just allowing a place to rest your head here, okay? If you need to bend your knees, you could bend your knees to remove some of the tension, all right? Completely up to you and where your starting fitness level is, all right? All right, that is 60 seconds of your finisher.
Great workout. You spent 6 minutes, 1 second exercising.
I think I may have cut it short, I don't know. But all right, guys, this again is meant for beginners. So it's one of those things that you kind of go at your own pace, get through these exercises, no rest, do your 6 minutes, do as many as you can, all right? Utilizing strict form. Get that done and then progress from here. There's a lot of other workouts. You can make these more challenging as well. Reverse crunches, and you can go straight into a Russian twist with weight if you need to. The first progression will be from a beginner progression to bring your heels off the ground and then go into a weighted version, all right? Heels off the ground is automatically gonna create resistance, just your legs. From there, 5-pound weight, 10-pound weight, medicine ball, whatever you need to increase the resistance, all right? Same with the plank. On your plank, we're doing a standard elbow plank for 37 seconds. If you need to do a progressive plank, add that as well once you start getting more strength. Shoulder tap plank. All right, knee to elbow planks, Spider-Man planks, RKC planks. There's a lot of planks you can put into place when you're doing these that are gonna help make this some more intense exercise. All right, but all right guys, hopefully you got through this workout. Again, it wasn't meant to be too challenging. You should be focusing on contracting your abs throughout each exercise, all right? Keeping your lower back strong, secure, back rigid. Just make sure you're focusing on those key things so you're remaining strong and tight to prevent any kind of lower back injuries. But guys, other than that, comment below. Let me know if you have any questions about any of this workout. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Check out some of these other videos as well. We got tremendous videos over here. Nutrition, workouts, there's a lot of ripped in 6 exercises, a lot of ripped in 6 workouts that we got out there for you guys to take advantage of. So, man, other than that, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.